Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My School Book. The poem for today is Rain on the Roof by Kinney. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears, what a bliss to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Every tinkle on the shingles has an echo in the heart, and a thousand dreamy fancies into busy beings start, and a thousand recollections weave their air threads into woof as I listen to the patter of the rain upon the roof. Now, in memory comes my mother, as she used in years agone, to regard the darling dreamers ere she left them till the dawn. Oh, I feel her fond look on me as I list to this refrain, which is playing upon the shingles by the patter of the rain. Thank you. I hope you liked the poem. If you liked the video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And do like the page on Facebook and Instagram. Thank you. God bless you.